Hello dear kids, this is Neha Sharma. Today in this video we will complete Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. So please open your book on page number 47. Dear kids, in the last videos we have read the story of page number 45 and 46 where we studied the the humorous sort of accidents took place due to Uncle Podger when he tried to hang a picture on the wall. Actually it was very easy task, but because he wanted to show his his power that he can do such works, right, and his wife Mrs. Or Aunt Maria, she is unable to do such things. So that time he wanted to show actually his manship, so that time he just created a lot of confusion, lot of curiosity in entire family, and he engaged with the people. After that also he cannot do the work properly. So we have read that. Now on page number 47, here on a screen you can see first paragraph of page number 47. So here, and Aunt Maria would say that she would not allow the children to stand round and hear such language. So whatever the language he is using, because he was scolding the children and the people who were there, the helping hands for him, right. So he was abusing them, and at last Uncle Podger would get the spot fixed again. And this time, earlier we have read in the last video that he actually lost the point, the mark where he has to put on that nail, right. So this time he just fixed that point once again, and in his left hand he just put the nail once again and take the hammer in his right hand, and with the first blow he would smash his thumb and drop the hammer. So abhi he started putting that nail once again. तो अब उसने क्या किया कि nail को उठाया, hammer लिया, और when he was trying to do that, right, so in order to just putting the nail, actually he smashed his thumb. Smash means what? He hit his thumb with the hammer, and with a yell means what? Yell means cry on somebody toes, and toes are what? The fingers of our foot, right. So that is toes. So उसके हाथ से जब हैमर गिरी, उसने किसी और चिल्लाया वो, राइट, क्योंकि उसने खुद के अंगूठे पे मारा है, अपने थंब पे मारा, और किसी के पैर पे जाके वो लैंड करी हैमर. Next paragraph, Aunt Maria would mildly observe that next time Uncle Podger was going to hammer a nail into the wall, she hoped he would let her know in the time so that she could make arrangements to go and spend a week with her mother while it being done. Ab Aunt Maria is getting disturbed with all such curiosity and the जो भी शोर शराबा घर पे हो रहा है, और she mildly observe that if Uncle Podger will try to do this incident again, or he will just create this curiosity once again, so she would go to her mother's house, right, because she is not liking all these things. So at this, oh you women, you make such a fuss over everything. So Uncle Podger said to her, क्यों इतना शोर कर रही हो तुम, क्यों इतना चिड़चिड़ करे जा रही हो. Uncle Podger would reply, picking himself, Why I like doing a little job of this sort, कि मैं कर क्यों रही हूँ ये काम, तुम्हारे लिए तो कर रहा हूँ और तुम कह रही हो कि मैं चले जाऊँगी. And then he would have another try, and at the second blow the nail would go clean through the plaster. And this time, when he hit that nail, so this time it directly or neatly, cleanly went into the plaster. And Uncle Podger be precipitated. Precipitated मतलब क्या होता है? Precipitated मतलब जब बहुत पसीना आता है, so that is called sweating, right? So you can say sweating here. So sweating is precipitation. So he was precipitating that time, and against the wall force nearly sufficient to flatten his nose. Then he had to find the rule and the string again, and once again he had to find the rule and the nail, because again he has to make a mark and a new hole he has to do, right, because this time the nail that completely went into the wall. right? Then he had to find the rule and the string again, a new hole was made, and about midnight the picture would be up, very crooked and insecure. Now one more word is here, that is what? Crooked. Crooked means what? It is the opposite of straight, right? Teda meda. So it was not at the properly hung actually, and the wall for the yards looking as if it had been smoothed down with a rake. So this rake actually is a tool, right, which people or the farmers use in their fields to till the soil, right. So it was looking that the wall is not smoothed और इसमें बहुत सारे निशान, बहुत सारे scratches उस पे हो गए थे, because Uncle Podger was doing his work. And everybody deadbeat ratched. Ratched means what? Ratched means unhappy, except Uncle Podger, क्योंकि उनको लग रहा था कि वाओ फाइनली मैंने काम कर दिया, और बाकी सारे उनकी जो भी उन्होंने क्रिएट किया था फर्स्ट उससे इतने ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब थे और सारे टायर्ड हो गए थे. सो वो सारे मतलब उनको जब लगा गया अंकल पॉजर ने खुद का काम जो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी से पिक्चर टांग दी है उसको भी देख के बहुत खुश रहे कि हाँ फाइनली काम हो गया, ठीक है. और इस चक्कर में बाकी लोग सारे थक गए हैं और दे आर नॉट हैप्पी. लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ द स्टोरी. There you are, he would say, stepping heavily off the chair on the charwoman's corn, and it is carwoman, okay, carwoman's corn, and surveying the mess he had made with evident pride. और अब उतरे हैं चेयर से नीचे, ठीक है, और देख रहे हैं अपना काम जो किया हुआ है और बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो रहे हैं, बहुत हैप्पी हैं, बहुत प्राउड हैं, राइट. एविडेंट मीन्स टू सी दैट, और उसको देख रहे हैं बहुत प्यार से और बहुत प्राउड से कि हाँ फाइनली मैंने काम कर दिया, राइट. वाई सम पीपल वुड हैव हैड अ मैन इन डू अ लिटिल थिंग लाइक दैट. तो कहते हैं कि इतने छोटे से काम करने के लिए वाई सम पीपल वुड हैव हैड अ मैन, कि मेरी ज़रूरत क्या थी, राइट. अ मैन इन डू अ लिटिल थिंग लाइक दैट. अभी सारे घर में पूरा दिन हो गया, शाम से लगे थे आधी रात हो गई है पिक्चर टांगने में, और कह रहे हैं कि इतनी छोटी छोटी काम करने के लिए मेरी क्या ज़रूरत थी, ठीक है. सो इट इज़ व्हाट हियर वी हैव रेड अबाउट अंकल पॉजर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी enjoyed a story which is full of comic scenes, right, and as we discussed earlier, the story is written by Jerome K. Jerome. So it is a story we learnt that of the shortcomings of a man, of Uncle Podger, who never tries to do the hard job, but when he does this activity to hang the picture at home, so he involves all the family members in that little task, in that little act, you can say. And we find this story, that how they started to work, how they created a lot of disturbance. I would not say they here, but he, right, because Uncle Podger, it was only his action which created the curiosity. So his acts created a lot of disturbance in the family, right, because he has to do such a minor activity only, and he could not do that. So he pretended to be great actually for this minor work, that wow, he has done this work, and there was no need. In the last line you can say that why some people would have had a man into do a little thing like that. So it was what he pretended here to be great actually with the minor work, where he disturbed the entire family, right. So here we have read that Uncle Podger is the sort of comic character, so who tries to hang a wall, but he could not balance actually himself, and many times he hurt himself, right. And in the end you can say that this lesson is one of them, one of the story which give us a lesson to find pleasure in work. If we are all doing one work, then try to do in your own behalf, right. But when you involve another person, it becomes the cause of disturbance to them. So it is a comedy, and you can say the satire also. So this we have read in our chapter, in our story, where actually Uncle Podger had no plans to hang a picture, right, and it was a little act, but he involved all the members, right, and when he falls, so he just abuse others, clear, and this is what we can say, that he was an absent-minded character in the story, right. Though he creates trouble in the family with his work or with his misdeed, but finally he succeeded in hanging the picture in a very grouped way. So this was the story. Please note down the meanings we have done. Please read the entire story once again, and thank you very much for today.